We back, another Good Guys video. This is like garden bed creation, what's going on here. After each year, you're really gonna be changing out your mulch. You could charge them for rocks, it looks better, and then it lasts longer for them too. So you put down your fabric right across, and you just wanna start cutting. Like, you know, when you get to like an obstacle, like we went, you see all the trees we had to go around. Once you laying down your fabric and you see a tree, all you gotta do is just put a little slit and open it up. Like cut a line through it, put the fabric around. You're gonna need some nails to nail your tarp into the garden you're making. So you're gonna need a mallet to bang the nails into the ground. You're definitely gonna need your mallet. And you're gonna need wheelbarrows. Also a big thing when it comes to doing these rock jobs, mulch jobs, whatever, you gotta know your math. You know, area is length times width. A lot of times you be in areas that's not like a square. Kinda gotta use your imagination and make like a makeshift square. But pretty much I measured out 2 boxes and I made 2 squares, imaginary squares that I sewed in. That's how I figured out. One thing with getting these rocks that's tricky, you gotta understand that the bigger the rocks are, the less it's covering, so you got to get more. You have to make sure that you're measuring right and you ordering your materials correct. For this project, we used 30 yards of 3 to 5 inch Delaware River rock, and you're gonna need a lot of manpower. For this job, we had 7 people doing this. And this is not something, especially with the size of this garden bed, that you want to do by yourself as a homeowner. Just being honest, I would just hire somebody, because if you can afford to do it, because it's labor intensive, it's going to take you a very long time to do it. We appreciate everybody coming through to watch the video and hear our perspective on how we go about the process of starting our gardens and putting down rock. I mean, in the comments, if you do things a little differently, we would love to discuss how you go about, you know, putting your gardens together. That's a beauty in landscaping. It's not one way to do things, you know. It's like you can learn from each other. Everybody's technique could be a little different. You can learn something and incorporate it with how you do things. So hopefully this was helpful, and we see y'all in the next video. We out of here.